Hello children, today I am going to explain nucleophilic substitution in haloarenes. Now for nucleophilic substitution, if haloarenes undergo, that is, it will react with some nucleophile. Now this group will be removed and this carbon, this is a electrophilic center where this nucleophile come and attack here, and then it will form this. But in case of haloarenes, we have to break the CX bond. Now it is difficult to break CX bond in haloarenes. Now what is the reason here? Now first reason is that CX bond acquire partial double bond character due to resonance. Now how it acquire this double bond character? If we see this halogen atom has lone pair of electrons, and this is a conjugated system. Conjugated system means there is alternate single and double bond is there, and the group which is attached to this conjugated system, if it has lone pair, then it will donate the electrons to the ring. So it shows plus R effect here. Now when it donate electrons, then it acquire partial double bond character, and this halogen acquire a positive charge and negative charge is on this one. Okay. So due to this double bond character, it is difficult. Now if we compare with haloalkanes, then there is no double bond character here, there is no resonance. So this bond can easily break and hence can undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second reason we can consider, if we look at the hybridization of this carbon. Now this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Now this is polar halogen group, and if we compare it with haloalkanes, this carbon, it is sp3 hybridized. Now if electronegativity difference, if we compare, then sp is most electronegative, then is sp2 and sp3 is there on the basis of hybridization. Now this carbon is more electronegative at this one, so the electronegativity difference of CX bond decreases in haloarenes as compared to haloalkanes. So that is, it is less polar, so it is difficult to break. Then third point is, if we remove this haloalkane from here, a halogen group from here, when it removes, then it forms phenyl carbocation, which is very less stable because it cannot be resonance stabilized here. But if we see in this haloalkanes, it can be stabilized that due to plus I effect in that case. And fourth reason is that if we say that it goes nucleophilic substitution and these positions, then this part is already electron rich. There are pi bonds here. So nucleophile, it is also electron rich. So this nucleophile cannot attack the electrophile rich. So this point and this point, there will be repulsion between them. That is why this. So due to these four reasons, the haloarenes, they do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Thank you.